Bornirja Arnam lang PKCS aklamalong Karbi lametamay ningkan segamay pimesen pen kapachun Japan tirika mamay asay hem kangpu. Lapen long kampi film production pen diputar lang solong tirsen ken. Karbi prime time long panilisarim tiso non biutang ton penarjita long kampi film production a hinpen diputar lang solong atlet polam kan arjana har chicken FGF han matijong ni 54 ni tirsem ken mati shub muharat kapaman pona biuta phirangki katni sasa hemalong biutang pale nong nam ka chithang klong bikham ajon mate dilip bepen chapahim pupanamai long aluhi aman pen KCS amai puchandra singro director Ajib Kro script writer Duri Rongpi producer Sangmir So Ronghangpi co-producer Mahindra Teron lapen cameraman Hite Thakuria atum henlo lapen laso alamarjana long cheparjan ji atum laki Gautam Terang Malin Tisopi Karbi Autonomous Council CEM Achor Kachai Teron P Dilip Be coordinator producer Mahindra Teron, Ram Singh Teron, Harlong B Pangcho, Suresh Timung, Hori Timung, Kari Rong Pipi, Longki Ram Kro, Longki Teron, Borsing Teron, Lapen Jusna Ing Tipi Atum Henlo, Labang So Alamarjan, Karbi Ningkan Kimi Katalonar ni release Jipu, Let Alamarjan, Jalin Bang Mate, Director Rajib Propen Than Bachani. Jambali NGO Tumpen Daikrum Terona Rong along, Matijong ni Pai Pliar ni, Keboy Det Arara Tumapan, Kang Samapor Kachiuma Pekar Om Lapen Chitima Benka Haihui Keron Dama Berta Katni Sasa Hemerong Berta Nang Pale Diupani constituency ka parlo Daikrum Teron arong along Ameka Ratum Keboy de Ratum Do Olang Umat Hadamsi Jambili NGO Atum Pen Kachiuma Pekar Om Lapen Chitima Benka Haihui Keron Dampado Kado Kave Bangkrit Rock Sosia Sar Pimar Lapen Himepia Tumapan Kachiuma Pekar Om Lapen Chitima Benka Keron Pachetang Pon Labang so ajay me kalong aluhi man pen Suresh Lekhe, Rajesh Lekhe, Thomas Terang lapen Amar Rong Haratum Chitongdul. Jambali NGO tumpen Rong Arada Phan, Jumisen alam Chitan, Achimum Pon Padu, lapen Ang so se kapaprang dum Thekjia Phanta, Hir Jumi Pajirpon. Daikrum Terona Rong Arada Tumta Jambali NGO tumpan Ang so se ki claim kidam Mesenjia Phan Hir Jumi lapen Kachuru alam The Pajirdul. Daikrum Terona Rong Asar, Longki Teron pen Sitami, Lapusona Sai Kimi ki claim pon Thegapot Jambali NGO tumapan Akiru Pajirdul. Diupani constituency ka parlo Bornirja aklam arnam lang PKCS aklam along nangkileji suri hinira ingkoi raisia ningkan aparman Karbila metamai ningkan sekamai pimesen pen kapachun Japan matijong ni 5 clear ni tirika mamai keseng pona berta katni sasa hemlong berta nang pale tirika masai hem tirika mamai dun mai phu jiwan be pen kang pupon along rapchun bang vida sing diso pen je sherap dun si jai megalong penang an tirika mamai klembang phu bang pila pen sanchom tin penta chetong dun si kang pu amai long pidun Tirika mamai dun mai phu jiwan be alangli pen nangkele ji suri hinira ing koi raisi ar koi achiklo ni phaing koi ra clear ni an ke claim ke dam je phane si labang so sai hem kang pupon puta alangli pen pachuni pon alangli hin pen puthot asan chom tinta misen pen ke claim ra peji la pen ningkane sek Karbila metamai amai pi ke pachun pon pe mi je phan che tong dun bang phu bang pi atum phan chuni ri pon padu namalom so por phan biuta mong ton pon sinan Valiant, conspicuous, courageous, eye-catching. Claret Beauty Parlor presents Style Icon 2021 for Mr., Miss, Mrs. and Kids. 24 January 2021 at Joycing Dolo Auditorium. Auditions will be started soon at Dimapur, Lumding, Hojai, Dongkai and Dipu. For more information, contact 6002534700. Style Icon 2021, presented by Claret Beauty Parlor. Komentu ne ke nang tu mehemta komat ne bang phua bang phi so that lo protangte ajo phirlo doai daro ki lika siksak dokok titima non pen ke nang tum thang tama thanang lilo alon medical store ladak nang tum longji 24/7 mati ajo nar lo stami doai long ponik po lasi humre ikha Difu Medical College athengno Karbiang long kicheng C24/7 medical store Alon Medical Store. Visit the store now. Dihinu mapit puthot birta long mangthulo. Redimir English School Dipu Birla long matijong ni phai player ni retired Home Secretary Government of Assam STX pen barpi barso kachitia hemkangku ponajai mekalong 20 Battalion CRPF Commandant RD Jenny Anal tachetongdul. Arnikangsam por phai pho malom STX ACS retired Home Secretary Government of Assam mahin pen tojet ingpu pon dead apit maita padupontu. Bangso amailong Dr. Paul B Chanjik HOD Department of History AUDC Reverend Modi Inbon, Principal Redimir English School, Reverend Lakmuel, Pastor EFCI Church, Second Commandant CRPF Dr. Lapen Pinang An Aradatum Chitongdul.
That we have undertaken these renovations for the very essential student of this school, no? Because they have suffered a lot. The students here, more than 200 students are here without having any toilet block and urinal. So what will be the conditions of those students? So seeing these conditions with the teacher, we have coordinated and renovated this toilet block with the present technology.
Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. The toilet block will give me lots of pleasure for any kind of visitor of this compound and hundreds of children who come and utilize it. We are very grateful. And not only that, the toilet blocks, the way it comes out with the latest technology. That's
Marchar atumta CRPF atum phan lason kirap thek apot kachuro lam thepa jirdon. Pinia birta bangla ponseng tonik lot dumai thak mikro bangthu.